Tayron isn't a new name in Volkswagen's lineup. It's been around in China since 2018 and now replaces the old Tiguan Allspace that sold in Europe. It's also an accurate preview of America's next compact three-row crossover, which will retain the Tiguan moniker. The new Tayron isn't a seven-seat only affair, since it can be had with only 2 rows as well. To accommodate that third row, its wheelbase has been extended by 4.5 inches to 109.8 inches. The interior is basically a rehash of the Tiguan, offering a 12.9-inch or 15-inch infotainment touchscreen paired with a 10.25-inch instrument cluster. For those wanting more, optional extras include adaptive chassis control, a panoramic sunroof, massaging and ventilated seats, and a Harman Kardon sound system. In terms of powertrains, the entry-level model features a 148-horsepower 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine. The Tayron also offers a couple of 2-liter turbocharged TSI petrol engines, one with 148 horsepower and the other with 261 horsepower. For those who prefer diesel, there is a 2-liter TDI, which is available in 2 versions. The base version produces 148 horsepower, while the more powerful variant comes with all-wheel drive and 201 horsepower. For those seeking electrification, the plug-in hybrid versions combine a 1.5-liter gasoline engine, an electric motor, and 19.7 kilowatt battery. It's also come in 2 configurations, one with 201 horsepower and another with 268 horsepower. All flavors engines send power to the front wheels via dual-clutch automatic transmission, while both 2.0-liter petrol and the high-powered diesel are offered with 4 motion all-wheel drive. In Germany, pricing for the Tayron starts at 45,475 euros and will be reached dealerships in March 2025.